Family, to you, our guest of honor. Thank you. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
May we all embrace the common 30. May we use it and benefit from it. Thank you very much, Techno. Thank you indeed. May God bless you. And allow me to use this chance as well to thank you so much for this.
As we speak right now, we have wide 5G coverage in the land, and this Techno Common 30 is a perfect example of a device you can use to enjoy the superior
style, the African style. Please welcome with me the super awesome tech. Yeah. Oh, welcome, did it. Okay, so now you understand that when we talk over... Put your hands together and welcome with me Mr. Bruce Dixon, who not only understands this product, but is also a senior product consultant. And he will take us through as we get to the space where we shall be brought up to speed with what has been innovated, reality and the true sense of being a smartphone. Ladies and gentlemen, where I come from, that could send a message, even give it a little bit of motion, the everyday innovations that happen. We know you, ladies and gentlemen, all of us in our respective capacities, you are most welcome. Take for granted. One that we pride in, especially.
So I truly want to appreciate that. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll agree with me that before 1986, access to information was expensive and probably unreliable. But here we are, with this kind of technology now, I think things are becoming easier and simpler. So, I want to use this chance again to thank our government for the good policies. Ladies and gentlemen, again before 1986, information and technology was a monopoly by government. But now, because of liberalization, Techno and other companies have had the opportunity to operate freely. They operate freely with good incentives from the government of Uganda. So, I think this is a great opportunity that our investors are enjoying this environment and these policies, but at the same time are doing a great job for this country. So we truly want to thank you. And on behalf of the NRM government, which is the ruling government, I want to thank you very much indeed for the great work. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a big opportunity for Ugandans, particularly the young people, to do business and access beneficial information instead of using these wonderful phones, this wonderful phone to watch pornography and abuse people using phones. It is important that our young people are guided and probably educated on how best they can use these phones to benefit and to add value to their country. So I think it is upon all of us to look at that much as the phone is available, it should not only be for, WhatsApping and enjoying whatever comes on WhatsApp, but also do very good business and benefit the country. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency has been from time and again talking about the 4 major things that can improve the lives of Ugandans. And one of them is agriculture. He has also talked about industries. He has talked about the service industry, but he has also emphasized ICT. And you'll all agree with me that in today's environment, you cannot do agriculture to the level, to the global level when you don't embrace ICT. Because it is through ICT that you can understand more about the best ways of doing agriculture. It is through ICT that you can understand how best you can improve the industry. It is through ICT that you can understand and even appreciate how best you can do services. Therefore, it is very important that we embrace ICT. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we all know that the world has become too small that it is like a village. And because of that, there is no way we can do without ICT. It is like you can't do away with eating food. So, because of this, I want to appreciate Techno for this great work. Because when I was watching what you were presenting, it's like this phone has it all. It has it all. It is going to help us a great deal. And I have no doubt everybody here in this room are going to be the first beneficiaries of this wonderful phone. So I want to really congratulate you, and I want to say that the coming of the Common 30 is a blessing to all of us, is a blessing to Uganda. In other words, thank you for this innovation. Thank you for this innovation. And I hope I have no doubt that we are going to see more innovations even after this. Because every time, now and then, things change. And as things change, they require more innovations. So Techno, thank you for the innovation. And I hope we are going to enjoy more of these innovations. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that artificial intelligence requires this kind of gadgets.
From the ICT and also the society to have more, to give more chances to the youth for Uganda people. With this phone, there's a lot of technology, like the recent the chip that is called artificial intelligence. So this technology we applied in the phone that can bring some fresh things that you can. For example, you just take some selfie or portrait. It can just help you to upgrade to an AI picture. And you just imagine if you apply with some other techniques from the internet, or you download the phone, that artificial intelligence application is charging money. And even some people is using this application to make some profit, to make some money. So this phone is enable people to use AI for free. And also, this one is applied with the Helio, the latest processor that is enable multiple functions at the same time. So you don't need to worry about using some office work or some application that is supporting to your work and to make money. So the phone is durable for multiple function things. It's like topic that in Kampala many shops are closing because of tax issues. So it is the same for us investors. Uganda import duty for phone is 10%. So compared to the neighbor countries, just for them, the East African communities countries, they are very low. So this has bring us some incentives to make some local built plant factories. So maybe in the future we are planning already to reduce the cost, and also we can using this manufacturing plants to reduce the cost and also give supply our end users with a lower price.
Njagala kubiriza bannayuganda bakozesa omukisa okulaba ng'essimu eno bagikozesa, kubanga essimu eno egenda kubayamba okumanyirako ebintu bingi, kubanga yo erabika eyina byonna omuntu bye yandyetaaze okusobola okumanya ekyokkola. Amasimu gano gatuyamba okufuna information. n'okwongera okumanya kubanga artificial intelligence gye twogerako omuntu agifunira ku masimu kuno. Essimu eno egenda kuyamba bannayuganda okusobola okulaba nga bagikozesa. Naye njagala okukubiriza abaana baffe abavubuka. Ebiro ebisinga amasimu tugakozesa bubi. Ne tugakozesa ku kulabirako pornography, kulabirako ebyobuseegu, kuvumirako bantu, kwogererako ebitaliiyo, kumalirako obudde. Naye njagala kukubiriza bannayuganda nga bwe tufunye omukisa ogw'essimu efaanana bweti bagukozese okulaba nti bakola business. Kati essimu tuzikozese nga kyekintu omuntu kyotosobola kubeera nga tolikirina naye nga tugikozesa kukola business. President Museveni abadde atongoza era nga akubiriza bannayuganda okwejja mu mbeera embi nga bayita mu byobulimi, nga bayita mu bya services, nga bayita mu bya mu ICT n'ebirala. Naye ebikulu ebyo bye tuyitamu tumanyi tosobola bikola okujjako ng'oyina omanyi okozesa technology ono. N'olwekyo njagala okubiriza bannayuganda naddala abavubuka mwettanire nnyo ebintu essimu zino mugigule kubanga egenda kubayamba. Ate MTN naye egasseeko ettofaali esuubiza nti buli anaafuna essimu eno anaaba agikozesa egenda kumuwa GB 3 GBs ez'obwereere. Bannayuganda bategeere nti ensi kwetuuse, ensi kati efuuse kyalo kimu. Tulina okutongoza, okutambuza, okwembracinga n'okukkiriza nti kati awatali technology, awatali ICT tetusobola kugenda mu maaso. N'olwekyo njagala nnyo okwebaza bannaffe aba tekno olw'enteekateeka eno. Naye okusinga ennyo njagala okubeebaza kubanga bwe babeera ba investor mu Uganda batukoledde omulimu ogw'okuwa abaana baffe emirimu. Tebakomyawo basomesa abaana baffe nga bayita mu apprenticeship. Abaana abagendayo okukola ne babeera nga bayiga skills. Ate tebakomyawo ne batuyamba okulaba nti kati bannayuganda basobola okufuna amangu amawulire ate ne basobola n'okumanya nga bayita mu kukozesa essimu ez'omulembe. N'olwekyo twagala nnyo okubeebaza. Naye ekyo okujja kwabwe n'okukola ebintu bino byonna tulina okwebaza gavumenti ya NRM. Kubanga gavumenti ya NRM yaleeta emirembe, His Excellency the President, era ffe ng'aba NRM twagala okugulumiza n'okurecognising achievements za His Excellency the President. Esooka mu byonna emirembe gye yaleeta mu ggwanga. Kubanga senga tewaali mirembe nkakasa ne bannaffe ba investors tebandisobodde kujja mu nsi yaffe. Ekyokubiri tetuyinza buteebaza olwa policies ezisobozesezza bamusiga nsimbi okujja okuinvestinga oba okusiga ensimbi zaabwe mu Uganda.